Tired of losing leads and spending hours on repetitive WhatsApp messages? Today, we're unlocking the power of Aisensy AI to transform your customer communication. First, let's dive into AI-powered chatbots. Head over to your Aisensy dashboard and locate the AI Chatbots section, usually found on the left-hand navigation menu. Click on it. Now, you'll see a variety of chatbot templates designed for different purposes. Choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's a welcome message, answering frequently asked questions, or even generating leads. For this example, let's select welcome message. This is where the magic happens. Customize the chatbot's responses to align with your brand voice and specific offerings. You can edit the text, add images or videos, and even include quick reply buttons for faster engagement. Pay close attention to the trigger keywords. Those are what start the conversation. Next, let's explore message automation. Navigate to the message automation section in your Aisensy dashboard. Here, you can set up automated messages based on specific triggers, such as when a new user subscribes or abandons their cart. Personalization is key. Use merge tags to dynamically insert customer names, order details, or other relevant information into your messages. This makes each interaction feel personal and engaging. Finally, remember to track your results. Aisensy provides detailed analytics to help you understand which strategies are working and where you can improve. Monitor key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and customer satisfaction to optimize your AI-powered messaging for maximum impact. Level up your WhatsApp strategy by using the power of AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aisensy tips.